Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work the right leaning crossed double decrease. That's one where the centre stitch goes to the back and the left stitch sits on top of the right one, looking like it leans over to the right, like that. In order to do that, the first thing I need to do is rearrange my next 3 pairs of stitches from their current order, which is knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, to knit, 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 purl, purl, purl. And to do that, I insert the tip of the right needle into the front of the 1st, 3rd and 5th stitches on the left needle. I slide the left needle tip out of all 5, and the 2nd and 4th stitches pop free at the back. And before they have a chance to go anywhere, I grab those with the left needle. Then I can just slip purlwise the 3 knit stitches back over into place, and there I have 3 knits and 3 purls. Then to do the decrease on the front face of the fabric, I slip 1 stitch knitwise from left to right, a 2nd stitch also knitwise from left to right, and then I slip these 2 stitches together and knitwise back over to the left needle. That means coming round the front and going into both stitches that way and slipping them across. Then I can simply knit those 3 stitches together the normal way. That's created the decrease already for the front. Bring both yarns to the front and then slip 2 stitches together and knitwise from the left needle to the right, slip the 3rd stitch also knitwise from the left needle to right, slip them all back purlwise over to the left needle, and then going in purlwise through the back leg, which is going around the back there like that, coming into all 3 of those stitches towards me, I purl those stitches together. So that's a P3 tog through the back leg, and complete the maneuver by taking the 2 yarns to the back of the work. And you can see on the front there I've got the right leaning double decrease with the centre stitch at the back, and on the back it looks like it leans over to the left, which it would of course. That means all of my decreases are pointing in the right direction, and that's the right leaning crossed double decrease in double knitting.